Hi everyone, and welcome to my scrappy space. Okay, so I am going to tackle this big giant pile of scraps from my album that I posted just the other day. This shouldn't take too long, but you never know. You never know how things are going to go. So what I did do is I've already had my basic supplies put away. So when I cleared off my table, I put my inks away, I put my punches away. I just picked everything up of my standard things and just put them away. And that was really good. Did it in less than 10 minutes. So I just put all of my stuff right here in a big pile. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate pattern paper, embellishments, and 12 by 12 paper. So let's go ahead and jump into that. So I'm going to kind of leave things zoomed out. I won't be able to get all of it in, but we can give it a good college try. Now I'm going to just put the little pieces right here, just so we can kind of go through things and see what we're going to keep and what we're not. Cardstock pattern. Okay, here's some more pattern pieces. We're not going to purge or anything yet. We're just putting pattern. And okay, I'm going to throw this little stuff away right here because I'm not going to keep that. I'm not. And if I made a mistake on something, some of the papers I'm a little tired of, and those papers are not my Vicky Bouton papers. Those are papers that I've had in my stash for a super long time. And I think I may really just look at those and see if I want to purge them. Like I said, I'm just doing the scraps. I'm going to take all of these pieces though, and I am going to throw those away. Going to keep that one for right now because I may cut that down. I'm just going through it super quick. Oh, made a mistake. So you guys, I was super impressed that when I made a mistake, I didn't like hang myself out to dry. Usually I do, and I'm like, oh, that's it. I can't go any further or do anything like that. And this time I really honestly didn't. I was really surprised. Now with this class, there's also some layouts that I am not doing at this particular time. And so I know that a lot of the paper is with that. Okay, these are my scraps, and I try to just put those in here. And I will go through this, of course, again. But I think I'm pretty good. I might go through some of this acetate, but this is my scraps, guys, and this is what I had next to me, and I would just flip through it and look and see. Now, like these littler pieces, I will pull out and put in here. So that must have been on one of my nights of cleaning, but for the most part, I guess we can always flip through that too, right? Now, oh, here's an empty container. This is my 40-item market that Kelly has blessed me with, and I've been trying to keep that together, but I did use a couple of pieces from that. So I'm going to set this off to the side because I do have some 12 by 12 that I want to keep with that. And then here is my Vicky Bouton that Zilla blessed me with. And these are all the papers that are still left with that. 12 by 12s. Love it. And I think I'm going to go back and do the class. Oh, this is what I had some of my scraps in as well. This is a cut file. And these are some bits and bobs that I thought I might be able to use for ephemera. So I'm going to put those over here. And here were some of the cardstocks. I wasn't quite sure which color I wanted, so we're going to go ahead and put that over here to put that away. Oh, here is the rest of the stuff from Kelly, and I just wanted to put this, I took this out with me in case I was really needing it, but I was really trying not to grab anything from this because I want to kind of do something with just 49 Market. And I just used that one little 6 by 8, and that worked out perfectly. All this was stuff from my stash. Oh, except for that piece. Actually, I remember looking for that piece. Okay, here is my simple stories. Here's some more simple stories. And I did pull a couple pieces out of this collection that I've just had in my stash. So really, see guys, it really wasn't that bad. I'm gonna go put these in simple stories, put this on my collection stuff, and I'll be right back. And I actually just put all of that with my Christmas papers because I want to keep it all together. Okay, so this little stuff is gonna go away. Empty tray. Okay, so cardstock, that's going to be pretty easy. I'm keeping all of that. Putting that with the green and the red because that's a fabulous red. Now, some of the things that I learned is I need more red, Christmas red. That is a color that I really need, and my other stuff is out. I'm working on some cut files, so right now I can't put this away, but I will take this with me and put it away. Okay, I have this acetate, and I do want to keep a couple of those. And then these scraps, let's see. This I like, especially if it's double-sided. That I'm not 100% sure. Let's just go through this. Sorry about my reach, guys. Okay, this I am kind of done with that. That's a really cute piece. I think I could use that for a flap or something. I just like it. So the simple story stuff I'm going to put back. This is some Vicky stuff I want to keep. I'm done with that. This I like. This I like. I think I can let that piece go. That's kind of a good neutral. I'm done with that. I like that red. It's bright and cheery. That little piece, no. This bigger piece. This piece, nope. I had messed up on that. That I like. That I like. Those I like. I'm not a big fan. That's pretty cute, actually. That would be a great flag or a tag. Just making super quick decisions here. Do I need any more of that? I did like this. Once I used this, I was like, I'm not sure. And then once I used it, I really liked it. Okay. I'm just done with that. Maybe this would be a great little flag. This I would have loved to have used, but the way you cut it, it just didn't work. But I may be able to go ahead and salvage that. Those are great pieces there. And I do like that one. This one, not so much. Done with that plaid, done with that plaid. These numbers I like. Done with the plaid. I do like these candy canes, guys. Ooh, and of course the Vicky stuff. And the Vicky stuff I'm putting over here because I'm going to put that with her stuff. Okay, guys. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put all of these in a little baggie or one of those little bag things. And these are bigger ones. Guess those can go in here, huh? Yep. Okay. Simple stories. It's my purge pile. Okay, I used one of these, and I don't really care for the dark black, so I'm going to purge that. Do like the pink. I'm going to purge that one and the yellow. I could not get the yellow to work for me. And I already have one pink. Oh, this was super fun. Love that piece there. Okay, that's about as big as I want to go on those. That I'm just kind of tired of. 6x8. 6x8. And what I did is I just went to my little thing that we had went through earlier, and I pulled all of my 6x8s out and just took them with me. I used them. Just used them. I didn't think twice. Okay, I thought twice, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. This is just a white piece. Of course, we're going to keep that. These are some smaller pieces. And I am kind of going fast, guys, because I don't want to take all of your time, like all those. I'm just done with that. This I really like. Oop, 49 Market. And this is just a white piece. Just kind of done with that. I do like this for my old-timey stuff that my husband just loves. Oh, there's that candy cane stuff. And I'm a sucker for pink. What can I say, guys? And that red is bright and cheery. Oh, this is cute. I like that. Yeah. Okay, I don't know if I can use these cut aparts. Can I? I like that snowman and I like this. So there are definite some pieces that I do like. So I'm going to pull these out and I'm going to cut them up for ephemera. I guess I'll keep that one and that one out. That one, that is, yeah, the two tones. This is that piece I cut off of my album. I do like that. Oh, there were some cute little pieces in here. And then that. So, hello winter. I might cut a couple of these off, and then the rest I will use though. Here is a tag that I did not use. There's some smaller pieces. Done with that. Done with that. And this must be just a white piece. Okay. Okay, guys. So that is how I go through my supplies. Yeah. The 6x6s that are whole sheets from a paper pad, I'm going to put those back in my pink tote the way I had them. I'm going to go ahead and add these as well. And then just going to go ahead and put these bigger pieces in here. Not those. I think I could probably squish that one in. I just want to be able to flip through them and see them. So I don't want them too tall, but look at how much we thin that down, you guys. And then this scrap, and one of these right here, look at that. And that's a little stuffed for me, but that's okay. Like I said, we just went through a class. So this is all blessing. Excuse my reach. It's a nice little chunk of blessing there. And then how I'm going to put my Vicky Bouton away. And these things are just really fun, and so I don't want to get rid of those. I might snip this though, just so it's better. There we go. And this is a beautiful piece and a beautiful blue. Like I said, I may go back and do the album portion, just not right now, maybe closer to the holidays. I am a little burnt out on Christmas right now. Oops, this is Simple Stories. So, but that's okay. This I'm going to put back in my loose cardstock, or excuse my pattern paper. This I will put in my cardstock. I'm going to punch these out. I'm just going to keep a couple of them. And so put that over there. This is some ephemera that I want to use to add to my album. And this is all my Vicki Boutin stuff here, guys. So this is great. Now, Silly used this. I don't know exactly how much she used of this, but I've used it in an album and she's used it. And I'm telling you what, guys, it's still going. And I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm not going to add this in there. Let me go grab a thing to put that away in. Had one sitting right there. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Okay, like I said, I'm just going to put these pieces away right here. Take these out and make ephemera. And put all the rest of this in my little box, you guys. And we just took that big giant mountain and we just made it a little tiny molehill. So I'm going to go grab my pink box, put the rest of this in there, and put my ephemera with my album. And we are good. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope it gave you some inspiration on how to tackle those big piles of scraps and stuff. And if you guys have any tips for me, I'd love to hear them. I hope you guys are having a super amazing day and you're out there making lots of memories. We'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.